Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can edit a PDF file for free. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So as you can see, we have a sample PDF over here and there is some text written over here. I will just zoom it for you. And as you can see, this is the text. So all you have to do is you need to go to this website ilovepdf.com and /edit PDF. I will leave a link in the description for this. So once you are here, all you have to do is you need to go ahead and select the PDF over here. And as you can see, now you will be able to edit the PDF. Now there are different tools over here where you can use. So basically, if you want to add text, so I will go ahead and add text and I can place it anywhere I want, like for example over here. And then you can add images to it. So there are no images, but you can go ahead and select any image and you can paste it over here. And there is also a tool to zoom in and zoom out. I mean, you can zoom in the PDF and zoom out the PDF. And also you can add few shapes over here. So line, rectangle. So if I talk about rectangle, I will go ahead and add a rectangle over here. So as you can see, it is this simple to edit the PDF. And still, in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.